Welcome back. Here is an analysis of G Mains Examinations Phase 3, July 2021 and Shift 2. The examination was held on 20th of July in the afternoon session. According to the reports from the students and the teachers, the question paper was moderate to difficult. Take a look at mathematics. The paper was lengthy and difficult. The total number of easy questions are 10, moderate questions are 9, and difficult questions are 11 in number. Coincidentally, mathematics was given tougher in the Shift 1 examination as well. Now look at physics. Physics was given easy to moderate. Here the total number of easy questions are 12, moderate questions are 13, and difficult questions are 5. Chemistry was easy to moderate. While the questions from physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry came easier, the questions were a bit tougher from organic chemistry. Overall, the total number of easy questions are 12, moderate questions are 12, and difficult questions are 6. By and large, the Shift 2's question paper is moderate. Here is the category-wise expected percentiles and marks. The cutoff percentile for general category student should be between 86 and 90, and he needs to score the marks between 105 and 107. For an OBC category students, the expected percentile should be between 68 and 71, and he has to get the marks range between 77 and 83. For EWS student, he needs to get the percentile range between 66 and 70 and should score the marks between 75 and 80. SC category students should score percentile between 48 and 51 and should score marks between 60 and 63. Whereas in the case of ST students, the percentile should be between 38 and 42 and the marks should be between 51 and 56. Here goes the expected marks versus percentile analysis. If a student gets the percentile between 99.9 and 100, he needs to score the marks range between 237 and 258. The student who gets the percentile between 99.5 and 99.9 should score the marks between 202 and 236. For the percentile between 99 and 99.5, the marks range between 187 and 207. If at all a student gets the percentile between 97 and 99, he needs to score the marks between 157 and 187. For the percentile between 95 and 97, the marks should be between 117 and 157. For the percentile between 91 and 95, the marks range shall be between 87 and 117. And for the percentile between 86 and 90, a student should score the marks between 78 and 98. Dear students, this analysis is strictly based on the feedback given by the students who had taken the examination today. Keep watching this channel for upcoming reviews and analysis.